31st May. Every year on 31st May celebrated World No Tobacco Day. Today is 31st May and today World Health Organization celebrate World No Tobacco Day. By whom World No Tobacco Day celebrated? World No Tobacco Day is celebrated by World Health Organization every year on 31st May. Motto to celebrating World No Tobacco Day. This is yearly celebration informs the public on the dangers of using tobacco, the business practices of the tobacco companies, what the World Health Organization is doing to fight the tobacco epidemic, and what people around the world can do to claim their right to health and healthy living and to protect future generation. When to started to celebrate? First time World No Tobacco Day started to celebrate by member states of World Health Organization in 1987 to draw global attention to the tobacco epidemic and the preventable death and disease it causes. Timeline of World No Tobacco Day 2020. The focus is on tobacco and related industry tactics to attract younger generations. Theme of 2020 World No Tobacco Day. Each year, the WHO World Health Organization selected a theme for the day in order to create a more unified global message for World No Tobacco Day. The theme for the World No Tobacco Day 2020 is hashtag Tobacco Exposed. Through this campaign, the World Health Organization tries to debunk myths and expose devious tactics employed by these industries. This theme tries to improve youth to understand the tactics used by the tobacco industry to sell these products. World No Tobacco Day 31st May 2020.